Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers, and this is a flip through of the end product, I guess you would call it, of my newest tutorial project called Lilac and Lavender Dreams. And the kit paper is made by Kyung Shotwell, and the name of her store is Wonders by Wink. And I guess I'm a 14-year-old boy now with my voice cracking. So this is a folio project, and on the cover is a saying by Aesop, and it says, "The level of our success is limited only by our imagination, and no act of kindness, however small, is ever wasted." And there's a beautiful little bird. And so it opens, it's held shut by a magnet. And when it opens, of course, there's a little piece of ephemera over here that's covering the magnet on the inside of the closure. And this is the cover picture. I decided not to do any other decoration on it. And this is the lavender, of course. And on the inside, on the left is an envelope stack, but first we're going to look over here on the right. There's an altered paper clip that has an image on the top and on the back. And so there's lilac on the front and lavender on the back. And it holds on an envelope which has lavender on it and a butterfly. On the back is some more lavender. And it matches the belly band and the backing papers on both sides. And when you open it, then there's some ephemera cards on the inside. I'll set that to the side. There's a large belly band, and it holds an actual book. And the book is sewn with a 3-hole pamphlet stitch, and on the front I stamped the word dreams. And the little wooden box here is the stamps that I used, and I would suggest, I got them on Amazon, and here's the lettering style, and I would suggest if you gave this as a gift to someone, that you gave them these inexpensive stamps as well, because there are plenty of places in here that I left available for the person to stamp, and it's not a dream journal necessarily like your dreams every night. It could be your hopes, your dreams, your goals, things like that. So the book, the cover is one of the kit pages, and I printed it on both sides, and I love this lilac paper. And then I custom dyed some lilac paper to go in as stationery. And here's another kit paper, and there's a place for you to write on the top. And this whole place here if you're writing, more writing space here. Here's the really pretty center picture with lilac and lavender. And then there's a place to write on the back, more stationery, more places to write. And then the back cover is the same on the inside, and the opposite picture as this picture on the kit paper. On this side is an envelope stack, and this is a CD sleeve, and I originally held it on by magnets, but then I made the stack too fat and the magnets won't hold it closed, so I used a little clear dot. On the inside here I put a hidden pocket, and then there's a little writing card on the inside with the butterfly and the cute little bird. I love that little bird. I put him everywhere. And then here are some doors that I made with no ephemera. I like this picture so much. And there's some writing cards. There's one in here with lilac. And then there's one on this side with the lavender. I mean lilac on both. excuse me. And then on this side is another hidden pocket. And I used the same image on the front and the back on purpose, like I said, to make it look like doors. And then I did the same thing here to make it look like doors. I made another hidden pocket on the back over here so that when you take the ephemera out, then you don't see that where the pocket is. And then here, these are actual cutouts, which you can see once you take the ephemera out. Once again, the little bird. Little birdie told me that it was a good idea to put a little bird. And there's lots of places to write in here. You can write more things, and there are places that you could stamp words if you wanted to. And so on this side is another pocket and some ephemera. And I made this pocket really tall. And then in here is another writing card. This one has a saying by Maya Angelou, which is people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Then there's some more custom dyed stationery in there. And on this side is another large writing card. And these pictures are the same page, in half. And then when you open this, instead of a pocket, there's a belly band. And the belly band holds on some large ephemera writing cards. This one is the Words of Music music sheet book cover, and this one is another music cover, and this one is the play, and two of these match the small cards that are inside the envelope. There's another pocket on this side that matches the pocket on this one. It also has a large card in the inside which says, "The level of our success is limited only by our imagination, and no kindness, however small, is ever wasted." It matches the front one on the cover. And then I took these little ephemera and made pockets out of them. They're kind of more like little tucks. And I used my new Brother Scan and Cut to cut them out so that I didn't have to fussy cut them. And this is a lady holding some lilacs. This is, guess what? The little bird again. Little birdie told me. And these are the definitions of lavender, lilac, and lavender means purity, grace, and elegance. And here's the butterfly. In the back here are two large writing cards. Sorry about my voice today. And you can write on this side. And then on this side is some lavender. And on this side is lavender, of course. And on this side is another large writing area. And they go all the way down in there. And then you close this back up. Hold it shut. Then you close this back up, put the magnet back on, and then this is the back cover, and this is the back side of the closure, which is glued on. It's not a magnet on the back because there's really no need. And this is the Maya Angelou quote on the back, and the woman with the lilacs. So I really love this paper, and I really loved doing this project, and I'm sure that you will love going through the tutorial with it, making your own. These will go back inside, of course. And then also one last thing is I always make a collage at the end of each project with my scrap papers, and this is the collage that I made with this kit. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will check out the tutorial on YouTube from Sweet Pea Papers, and have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.